Today, we're here to report on an iNEMI project, the Eco-Design Best Practices for a Circular Electronics Economy. In 2021, we formed a project team that created a series of interactive webinars where we invited experts in the eco-design field of electronics to come and speak. We had 6 different participating organizations join us: Nokia, Samsung, Schneider Electric, Fairphone, Google, and Adva Optical. These webinars were an avenue for the eco-design leaders to come and talk about their strategies and their best practices that they did while doing eco-design for their projects. In this video, we highlight one of 3 best practices: innovation. The future is bright when it comes to eco-design and electronics. There are great ideas that are turning into real innovative solutions that will help address eco-design challenges. Let's hear more about innovative solutions that extend the life of products from Samsung.
The first thing that we really did with this was a really cool kind of a combination of an environmental program by upcycling your phone and a social responsibility program by serving a need. So as it turns out, millions of people have diagnosable eye disease, and a lot of it's a big problem in developing countries, especially where diagnostic tools are expensive and hard to get into the field. And so wouldn't it be cool if you could just take a phone, snap it into an augmented lens, and be able to do an eye exam in the field and then pull that data back for a doctor at a clinic that's too far away from the person that had the exam to actually get the analysis done. And that's what we did. So we piloted this with several hundred devices in Vietnam. We're currently scaling out of that pilot today. It was very successful. We did it with international organizations who are very thrilled with the results of the pilot.
As Samsung just said, it is cool to address environmental and social impacts through innovative use of repurposed technology. Google also told us that it is important to give existing products new life or to extend their life. Their products are made inside and out with sustainability in mind.
And Adi will get into this later, but they're also made inside and out with sustainability in mind.
Fairphone sees sustainability as an obligation, and they are using modularization to make electronics. They are learning as they go, and after a few years, they are now beginning to see what is necessary to ensure longer lasting products.
Our approach to long lasting design. So all our phones, even from the very beginning, Fairphone 1, so our first modular device was Fairphone 2, but already from Fairphone 1, we were offering all spare parts on our website. So that availability of repair is very important. So using standardized tools, making sure that the repair parts, spare parts are available, but also providing the information for making that repair is very important. And the second one that you have here is upgrades. That's also something that we've been doing since Fairphone 2 for a particular part of the device, which I will talk about in the next slide. Reliability is very important. So design for durability and for quality is super important. We are a relatively young company, so there's still learnings to be done here, but we have been increasingly improving in there as well. So that's also very important. Easy to diagnose and to update. That sounds maybe obvious, but if you have an issue, but you don't have a way to understand what is the cause of this issue or what is the part of your device that you need to change to solve this issue, then that might also become a problem. So that easy to diagnose either with automatic tools, but also often through, in our case, our customer support, it is super important. And as I was saying in the previous slide, the fact that spare parts are affordable, as well as that are easy to take back, both for parts and complete phones.
Schneider Electric wants us to learn more about how to extend the life of their products through the use of sensor technologies. When asked about the innovative use of sensors to get feedback, this is what they had to say.
You don't know how the product is used. When you have a communication, and it can be a very simple communication, just send one bit of information to say it's on, it's off. You have a better understanding on how the product is used, how the product is aging, what are the key components that are suffering from age or use, and that has an impact on the design phase. Let's say, for instance, the repair process. if we know that some pieces are more subject to be replaced, these pieces will be, I don't know, put in front of the product or in an easy place to replace or put together. So there is an influence due to communication on the design phase.
We heard that organizations are innovating for eco-design at the business model level, the product level, and through services. These organizations are already on their way and are demonstrating it is possible to come up with ideas and work to solve them through creative and innovative solutions. For more information on the project team, the project's objectives, and the results, please watch our end of project webinar.